Welcome to the for the UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then we should tap to the sound section. After that we can see here we get notification volume panel, and if you want to mute your device notifications you should hold and swipe this volume panel to the left side, and by this way you will mute your ringtones and notifications. But if you want to stay with the ringtones and you want to mute only notifications, you should unmute this volume panel, and after that just tap here to advanced, select notification sound and just switch your currently notification sound just to known, and by this way you will mute all your device notifications, but you will stay with the ringtones. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.